Alright, we are back with another video today. I am so tired, y'all, but it was a long day. Today we broke even on the trade. Um, I got in a lot later than I usually do. It was around 9:50. So the trade was kind of dragging all day. So I ended up breaking even, but it's actually all the way, well, almost up to my take profit zone, but we're at like 10 o'clock at night right now. So I broke even because I didn't want to stay in the trade any longer. And from this trade, I realized that for the challenge that I'm in, I only want to take A plus setup. So I'm going to redefine how I'm entering into the trade, where I'm entering and everything. But nothing but A plus setups, nothing but alignment. Align everywhere. Align 1 hour. I look at the 1 hour, 5 minutes, sometimes 15 if structure is not clear on the five, but alignment all across the board is what I am looking for. So let me replay. We're going to go back to about 6:40. All right, so we are up and at the charts, and what I'm seeing now is this aggressive move up. So it broke structure right up in here. It broke structure here. So we have our order block right down here, the last bearish candle before that move. And if you look here on the 15, it's a lot clearer. You can see the gaps in the market. That's the gray shaded area. So these are our points of interest. So now we're going to go ahead and actually also we see that we're above the 200. So overall, we're bullish for now. And on the 1 hour, we're bullish as well. We're above the 200, we're above the 20 and the 8. So we are bullish all around. So here we have a change of character, and we have now are creating internal bearish structure. So we're going to keep playing that out. All right, so we're down to our point of interest, and we have this candlestick pattern that formed, indicating that it may want to go up. Let me put my okay, so we got in here, stop loss a little bit below the low, and our take profit is at the high. It's about a little over 1 to 2. So it's playing around here. Now we're coming up almost at like, what is this? Military time. What is this? 12, 13, 14, 2. Coming up on 2 p.m. By this time, I'm tired of being in the trade, so I went on ahead and broke even. And it ended up creating bullish structure. And this is where we are now. So if I would have stayed in, we would have been kind of a little bit above halfway to our take profit, but the trade took entirely long. Um, but what I'll say, one thing I will do differently is, like I said, I'm only taking A plus setup. So that means everything needs to be in alignment. So as you can see here, even though we are overall bullish, we had that internal bearish structure that formed. So ideally, I would want to wait until I see, other than the candlestick pattern, some other type of bullishness. Okay, either it's a break of structure, um, where push or breaking above the moving averages. So ideally, even though we had another bullish, super bullish candle here, we did get above, but above the 20, but not quite the 200, um, which is still fine of an entry, but I really feel confident like right in here because we're like clearly above at least the 20. So, um, yeah. So I just take notes and journal all of this to collect data and see what I need to improve on, what I need to do more of, what I need to change. And the thing is, what I'm going to do is a 20 trade sample test, and I'm going to stick to a certain set of rules, and I can't change it until I get to 20 trades after I evaluate, because we don't trade on a trade by trade basis. It's a game of probability. So, yep, that was that trade today. We broke even in very, very small profit, but still was a good day. So, we'll see y'all tomorrow.